Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Clickworker. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to make money online? If so, you may have heard of our website. It's a platform that allows people to find short-term, online work tasks and get paid for them. In this video, we'll show you how it works, how much money you can make with it, and how to get started. First, let's talk about what our website is and how it works. It's a crowdsourcing platform that allows businesses to outsource tasks to a global network of online workers. Workers can sign up for free and choose from a variety of tasks, ranging from data entry and transcription to social media marketing and website testing. Businesses post jobs on our website, and workers can browse and apply for available jobs. Once a worker is hired, they will complete the task and submit it back to the business for approval. Businesses can then release payment to the worker through our platform. So how much money can you make with us? Workers on our website are paid per task, with payments typically ranging from 1 cent to 10 cents per task. Some tasks may pay more, depending on the complexity of the work involved. There is no limit to how much money you can make on our website, however, earnings will vary depending on the number and types of tasks you complete. Now let's talk about how to get started with us. Registering for an account is quick and easy. Simply go to our website and click on the Sign Up button. You will then be asked to create a username and password, as well as provide your email address. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to log in and start finding work on the site. To find work, you can browse the job marketplace, where clients post specific jobs that they need completed. Or you can take on smaller tasks from the tasks section, such as writing product descriptions or conducting online research. Once you complete a task, you will be paid through PayPal. We also offer a bonus system, which allows workers to earn additional money by completing tasks quickly and efficiently. There you have it, a guide on how to make money with us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.